Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Donut SMP step by step. So whether you are on Java or Bedrock, I'm going to explain what works, what doesn't, and the easiest way to get your mic working. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So here is one important thing that you need to know before moving into any of the steps. The Donut SMP voice chat depends on what version you are playing. For example, if you are on Minecraft Java Edition, voice chat is possible using a mod or plugin system. But if you are on Bedrock Edition, in most of the cases, you won't get real in-game proximity voice chat and you will need Discord for voice. For SMP servers that support voice chat, you can use simple voice chat. So you can download and install Fabric or Forge, whatever the server supports. After that, you need to install simple voice chat mode. Then when you launch your Minecraft game using that mode profile, you are going to get the option of joining SMP. So when you press V, you need to set the input device to your microphone, the output device to your headphone, and you need to turn the toggle button on, which would be right next to the voice chat. Now, if the mic still doesn't work, you can do this quick fixes. For that, simply right click on the taskbar, then click on the option of taskbar settings. Over here in your Windows settings, you need to simply use the search bar. In the search bar, you need to search for sound. Now in the sound settings, simply go to the input and select your current mic. You need to allow microphone access for Minecraft, close Discord if it is taking your mic, and you need to restart your Minecraft after changing the devices. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.